Hey guys, welcome back to my channel you all. So today is 20th of December and it's Wednesday and I've already made the to-do list. So I woke up at around 8 am and right now it is 9:38 and I'm gonna be starting with my first study session. In the meantime, I was just editing the video and I came outside. I was like there would be sun, so I will study in the sun. But the fact that sun was covered in the clouds and it wasn't sunny at all. Anyways, so today is Wednesday, so that means I don't have any classes today. So I mentioned most of the revision things in my to-do list because I'm gonna be having an test which is NBTS on 23rd of December. So NBTS is basically a practice test for AIATS which is on 31st. So in this whole video I'm gonna prepare for that test only. So now that I got done with breathing chapter revision, I'm having some food. Right now is 10:54 and I am back inside. तो भी इसको कट कर देते हैं. ब्रीदिंग तो रिवाइज हो चुका है. अभी मैं करने लग रही हूँ ये बॉडी फ्लूइड्स का रिविजन एंड मैंने एक स्टडी विद में वीडियो भी चला दिया. सो लेट्स जस्ट स्टार्ट. So this is how I prepare for any test. Basically, when we have an off day, I try to revise most of the things on that particular day. Because it's difficult to revise things on daily basis because you already have so much to do of that particular day. So अभी ऑलमोस्ट 12 बज चुके हैं एंड मैंने पूरा रिवाइज भी कर लिया ये. तो इसको भी अभी टू डू लिस्ट से कट कर देते हैं. बायो पढ़ते पढ़ते बहुत बोर हो चुकी दोनों चैप्टर करने के बाद. अब मैं सोच रही हूँ कि वर्क पर एनर्जी का रिवाइज कर लेती हूँ. शॉर्ट नोट से करूँगी तो उसमें तो टाइम लगना नहीं है. फिर उसके लीप के क्वेश्चंस करते हैं. तो हाँ, so short notes are helpful in that way only. Like when you have to revise for the test, you can just revise it very easily with the help of short notes. Otherwise, if you are gonna go for the full notes, it's gonna take a hell lot of time, and obviously we don't have that much of time. So now I got done with its short notes revision. Right now I am doing its leap question. तो मैंने leap पहले से complete नहीं कर रखी है. जितनी हो रखी थी उससे आगे करनी कंटिन्यू करी है. So time right now is almost 1:30 and I did completed some of the questions, but now I don't feel like solving any questions. So I'm gonna take a break and I'm gonna take shower and get ready, and then I'm gonna be editing the video. So I'm gonna take a big break and then I'll come back to my desk. So I came back to my desk at around 4 PM and again I continued with solving questions of work power energy. So it's almost 4:45 right now and I am done with work power energy questions. I'm not doing it anymore. Now I'm gonna pack my bags and go for the library. Here I'm just cutting the things which I already did from my to-do list. It was cloudy in the evening as well. The whole day was very much cloudy. After coming in library, I started with chemical bonding revision. So chemical bonding I'm revising with my full notes. I don't usually make short notes of inorganic chemistry because there is too much to write. I think the short notes are also gonna be like quite a lot. There's not gonna be very concise, so I feel that it's better to revise from the main notes. And look at the clouds. This sunset, it was so beautiful. Like the clouds are pink and purplish. It looks so pretty. So after completing chemical bonding revision, I went back to my home to have tea because I was having a sore throat. Anyways, after coming back, I am solving chemical bonding questions. सो केमिकल बॉन्डिंग की लीप एक बार भी नहीं करी है मैंने. दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन आई एम डूइंग इट. So obviously it had like 200 questions, so I didn't completed all of it, but I did completed kind of half of it. I'll do the rest some other day. After that I went back home and I had my dinner, and then I came back at around 8:30 or 9, and right now I am revising biological classification. And now I got done with that as well, and now I'm going back home. So time right now is 10:41 and I just got back from library and I made myself this cup of coffee, and now I am gonna be solving questions of NLM. एक बारी पहले रिवाइज करूँगी शॉर्ट नोट्स एंड उसके बाद मैं इसके क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने वाली हूँ. तो अभी टाइम हो गया है ऑलमोस्ट 11:30 एंड आई हैवंट स्टार्टेड डूइंग एनीथिंग. तो मैं ना लॉज ऑफ मोशन रिवाइज करने का सोच रही थी, बट आई वाजंट एबल टू फाइंड माई शॉर्ट नोट्स. तो मैं वो शॉर्ट नोट्स ढूंढने लग गई एंड फिर मुझे याद आया कि शॉर्ट नोट्स मैंने किसी को दिए हुए हैं तो मेरे पास नहीं है अभी. तो फिर अभी मैं अगर रिवाइज नहीं करूँगी तो क्वेश्चन मेरा बिल्कुल भी सॉल्व नहीं होंगे. तो इसलिए मैं सोच रही थी कि इसको पोस्टपोन कर देते हैं, कल या परसों जब भी होगा तब करेंगे इसको. और मॉर्फोलॉजी रिवाइज करने का मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा है, बिकॉज आज मैंने बायोलॉजी के 3 चैप्टर्स रिवाइज कर दिए. अब एक और बायोलॉजी पढ़ना आई एम नॉट फीलिंग इट. तो मैं सोच रही हूँ कि थर्मोडायनेमिक्स जो है वो रिवाइज कर लेती हूँ थोड़ा सा, एंड फिर इसके क्वेश्चंस कर लेती हूँ मॉड्यूल से. एंड तुम लोग सोचोगे कि अभी 11:30 कैसे हो गए, अभी तो 10:30 के अराउंड हो रखे थे. सो आई एंडेड अप वेस्टिंग अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ टाइम. एक्चुअली आई वाज वाचिंग प्रो कबड्डी with my brother, so yeah. But now I'm back to my desk and I will study now. So basically these short notes are of thermodynamics and KTG both. So I revised these short notes. And now I am doing questions of thermodynamics from my module. I haven't solved thermodynamics module even once. So this was kind of first time when I am solving these questions. So time right now is almost 2 a.m. and I am done for the day. Now I'm gonna sleep, and this is the update with the to-do list. Let me just add these. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you with a new video very soon. Until then, goodbye.